Denise Austin here, ready to do our 3-minute to trim our arms. All you need are light weights. I've got 3 pounds, whatever you have at home. Let's begin. All right, little baby circles all the way around. Circle your arms. These are my favorite exercises in 3 minutes to target, tone, and shape your arms. Yes, sexy arms. You're gonna do it right now. We're not allowed to bring those arms down at all. They have to stay up, okay? The whole 3 minutes. Little circles, little circles. Now reverse. That works a little more of the back of the arms. That's it. Nice, toned, firm arms. Trim them. That's it. Hold that weight, just relax and circle around. We got 2 more of these. You got it. Okay, now press up, press up. That's it. Press up. You can also do all these exercises without weights too. As long as your arms are above your waistline, you are working those arms. Firm and toned and shapely. That's it. Now we're gonna bring them in front. That's it, little circles in front. Great. Ready for a little more biceps. That's it, great. Little baby circles. Great, 2 more. And now reverse all the way around. That's it. Keep it shoulder level. That's what's so important, to really target and firm those arms. Yes. Last one, and press in now. Press in. That's it. Press. Excellent for the chest too. Right here for the arms and chest. That's great. 2 more. Last one. Okay, bring it out. Now circle and press. Up and around. Up and around. That's it. Great. All the way around. If this is too much for you, all you have to do is go in and out, okay? Either one is still working those arms. Great. Trim, toned arms. Last one. Good. Now the other arm. Up and around if you can. If you can't, that's okay. You could stay right here. You're still shaping, sculpting your arm muscles. That's it. Beautiful, sexy arms. We got 2 more. Last one. Great. Now turn your hands down and press back. Press back. Excellent. That's it. You got it. Come on. It's worth it. So when you wave goodbye, nothing will jiggle. Working on the back of those arms there. You can do it. Wonderful. 2 more and release. Forward and around. Rotate. Let me see those sexy firm arms. Come on. Bend your elbows slightly. That's it. Great. Couple more just like that. That's it. 2 more and release. Now bring it behind you and out. Behind you and out. That's it. All the way behind. Beautiful. That's it. Couple more. Last one. Great. And there you did it. 3 minutes to target, tone those arms. You did it. Congrats. Love you guys.